Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve this nice exponential equation. The equation we have 4 to the power of x plus x is equals to 0, where we need to find out the value of x. So let's get started the solution. I'm going to solve this equation by two different methods. So the first method I will going to use. The first step I'm going to take this positive x to the right hand side. So 4 to the power of x is equals to negative x. Now what I will do, I will going to raise here 1 over x both this side. So 4 to the power of x times 1 over x is equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. Now here this and this get cancelled. Here 4 is equals to negative x raised to the power of 1 over x is remaining. Now here we're going to let 1 over x is equals to negative y. Now I want to solve it out this expression for negative x. So for that, what I will do, so I will going to multiply both the side by x and divide both the side by y. So this I will going to write 1 over x. I'm going to multiply with the x and divide with the y is equals to negative y. So here this and this get cancelled. Here this and this get cancelled. So the expression we will get, that is negative x is equals to 1 over y. Now I will going to solve this equation for x. Now for x, I will going to multiply both the side by negative 1. So here this will be minus minus plus. So here x is equals to here negative 1 over y. Expression we have, that is 4 is equals to negative x raised to the power of 1 over x. Negative x value we find out, that is 1 over y, and 1 over x value we find out, that is minus y. I'm going to plug in. So here 1 over y and whole to the power of negative y. Now we have the exponential rule, that is 1 over a is equals to a to the power of negative 1 here. So now I'm going to take this up. So y to the power of negative 1 and whole to the power of negative y is equals to 4. Now next the powers are going to be multiplied. So the minus minus plus, so y to the power of y is equals to, this we're going to write in the form of power. Now here I will going to apply the exponential rule. A to the power of a is equals to b to the power of b is equals to a is equals to b. So here y is equals to 2. Now I'm going to use this expression for finding out the x value. So here I'm going to recall x is equals to minus 1 over y. Here the y value we find out, that is 1 over 2. So this is our x value. I'm going to use another method. The method 2 we have, I'm going to write the expression 4 to the power of x plus x is equals to 0. Now I will going to divide both this side by 4 to the power of x. So here we have the two numerators. So I'm going to write 4 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x plus x over 4 to the power of x is equals to 0 over 4 to the power of x. Now here this and this get cancelled. So here I will get 1 plus x over 4 to the power of x, and here 0. Next, I will going to take this positive 1 to the right hand side. So x over 4 to the power of x is equals to negative 1. Now here I will going to use the exponential rule. So this will turn to x times 4 to the power of negative x is equals to -1. Now, from here, I will going to use the Lambert W function, that is W bracket A e to the power of A bracket close is equals to A. Now, I want to change this expression in this form. So for that, I will going to multiply both the side by -1. So -1 times x times 4 to the power of -x is equals to -1 times -1. Here this will be equals to now -x times 4 to the power of -x is equals to, this will turn to +1. Now here I was going to use another natural log property, that is e to the power of ln of a is equals to a. So here I will going to write e to the power of ln of 4 is equals to 4. So in replacement of this 4, I will going to write this. Therefore, this equation turns to -x times e to the power of ln of 4 and whole to the power of -x is equals to 1. Now here the powers are going to be multiplied, so it will turn to -x times e to the power of -x ln of 4 is equals to 1. Now in the next step, I will going to multiply ln of 4 with the side. Ln of 4 times -x times e to the power of -x ln of 4 is equals to 1 times ln of 4. Now here both these are multiplying, so -x ln of 4 e to the power of -x ln of 4 is equals to ln, and this I was going to write in the form of power. Now till here we can apply the Lambert W function, but we need to change the right hand side in the same form for applying the Lambert W function. So -x ln of 4 e to the power of -x ln of 4 is equals to, now I will going to use the logarithm property, that is ln of a to the power of b is equals to b ln of a. So here this will turn to 2 ln of 2. Again, I will going to use the same e to the power of ln of a is equals to a. E to the power of ln of 2 is equals to 2. So in replacement of this 2, I will going to write this e to the power of ln of 2. So this will turn to -x ln of 4 times e to the power of -x ln of 4 is equals to, here I will going to write e to the power of ln of 2 times ln of 2. Now I will going to rearrange it here. So -x ln of 4 e to the power of -x ln of 4 is equals to, first I will going to write ln of 2 e to the power of ln of 2. We have the same coefficient here and the power. Here we have the same coefficient and the power. So I can apply it here, the Lambert W function. Here also. So now here this will be turned to -x ln of 4 is equals to, this will turn to ln of 2. In the next step, I'm going to change this 4 in the form of power. -x ln 2 to the power of 2 is equals to ln of 2. Now here I will going to use the logarithm rule, that is ln of a to the power of b is equals to b ln of a. So here I'm going to apply it. So this will turn to 2x ln of 2 is equals to ln of 2. Now here this ln of 2 is multiplying, so it will going to be divide both the side. Here this and this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled. So the expression we will get, that is 2x, negative 2x is equals to 1. And now I'm going to rearrange it for the x. So I'm going to take this negative 2 to the right hand side. So x is equals to negative 1 over 2. So this is another way to find out the x value. Now I'm going to verify my answer. Our expression is 4 to the power of x plus x is equals to 0. Now the value of x we find out, that is negative 1 over 2 plus negative 1 over 2 is equals to 0. Now here we're going to write 2 to the power of 2 and whole to the power of negative 1 over 2. This will turn to plus minus minus 1 over 2 is equals to 0. Here this and this get cancelled, so 2 to the power of minus 1. Here minus 1 over 2. Now I can write this 2 to the power of negative 1 in this one, 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So here left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of x we find out is absolutely correct. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.